between us just like fences. You got the shoes that I'm pitching right now, 'cause we're falling apart, falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no. Listen, hard to building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. We're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you, no, no. You used to call me on my, you used to, yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my, call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my. And I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. 'Cause ever since I left the city, you started with a lesson going on. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong.
Hello my lovelies, so I'm coming at you guys today with a 2-year update. I still cannot believe I've had my locks now for 2 years. So let me show my little baby locks off. I don't know why I still call them baby locks when I'm 2 years in, but they will always be my little babies. So let me show you my hair. You guys, so it has officially been 2 years with my babies, and let me just say I am just so happy and glad that I locked my hair. So for those of you who are new to my channel or to my loc journey, I have 61 locks in. I have fine hair, and this is what my babies look like. I bleached my hair I think 10 months in my loc journey, and I've bleached it a total of 2 times since I started my locks. I went from ginger back to blonde, and let me just tell you, they are 2 separate looks for me, but blonde to me is just rocking with me because I think of sunshine when I think of my blonde hair, and my ginger is more like Linda in New York, you know, my East Coast life, but this is like my West Coast life, like blonde. I just love it. But maybe one day I'll go back ginger. This ride has been nothing short of amazing. I started my locks when I got really serious with my spiritual journey, because to me my locks symbolize me, you know, closing a chapter where I felt like I needed to look a certain way, especially blogging. Back when I was like a beauty blogger, there was like so much pressure to like always look a certain way. And then after a while I was like, I started this channel in 2006. Like I don't need to keep up with nobody and their Joneses. And then, you know, my major car accident was a start of my journey, and you know, I'm gonna have a video on that later, how I started my spiritual journey and why I started it. But there was just so many things, and I've wanted locks ever since I was a child, and like my mom would always tell me no. So then I got to the point where I just never asked again. And then once I just felt it in me to do it, like to truly do it, like I'm just so thankful that I did. And I wish if I could turn the hands of time back, I would have did it like a year before that or 2 years before that. But either way, I'm just very thankful that I did it. As far as my maintenance goes, I've been going to Darnisha, which is Fine Dreads. I'll leave her Instagram right here. I went to her twice last year, and she's absolutely an angel. Other than that, I've been doing my own upkeep, my whole transition, or my whole journey, I should say. I do my own retwists. I deep condition my own hair. I do all my maintenance by myself. One of my friends, Brianna, who actually started my locks, she's absolutely amazing. She's retwisted my hair a couple of times, like when she's bleached it, because she's who I let bleach my hair. She's retwisted my hair twice. Other than that, I've just been doing my method, and if you haven't seen my retwist video of how I retwist with water and oil, I will leave it in one of these corners up here. As far as like my hair, it doesn't lock as easy as some people's hair locks. So like, as you can see, this is my hair freshly twisted after maybe 2 or 3 days now, is when I twisted it. And the thing about my hair is if I was to go wash my hair in the next week, I'm gonna lose the majority of this retwist. My hair takes very long to lock. In order for me to kind of keep my hair like in that form, I tend to wash my hair once a month. I still do spray my hair daily or every other day with my rose water, which is mixed with glycerin. I oil my scalp, if not every day, every other day. I have an oil video. I'll leave in one of these corners. It's the oil mix that I use. It's also the oil mix that I use to cure my alopecia areata. So I stick by it. I have been pretty much doing the same maintenance. As far as like shampooing, the majority of the time I do use my Dr. Bronner's cast iron soap. Every now and then I will use, you know, like a actual shampoo or such, but I try to limit that as much as I can, just because in my life now, I'm just very much so natural everything. I tend to just use natural products for everything in my house, and I'm like slowly phasing out of like, you know, something as simple as Dawn liquid detergent. It used to be my favorite liquid detergent, and now I'm trying to phase out of that and go to a plant-based one. Just because for me personally, everything that we ingest, whether it's on our skin or we take it in, it affects us. And on this spiritual journey, I've been in solitude for the most part. Since I moved, I haven't really been seeing my friends as much, and you know, obviously the pandemic plays a role in that as well, but for the most part, like, I kind of went into isolation because I've just been worrying more so about my own mental stability, my own likes and dislikes, like just really tapping into who I am as a person. And my locks are just truly an extension of that, because I truly feel now, I always get emotional in these update videos. Woo! I don't want to mess up my makeup. I think my last video, my year journey, I didn't have makeup on, so that was, you know, it didn't matter. But I have makeup on. I'm trying to take some cute pictures today. Woo! But now I feel like with my locks, like, I'm like where I want to be. Like, I'm turning into the person that, like, I need to be. And it's just, it's been amazing. Like, to me, locks is more than just like a style. Like, I know right now it's like trendy, more people are getting locks, and like, do you, whatever like you want to do. But to me, locks is like, this is me for the lifetime, you know, like my locks is locking in all the energy that I've been, you know, just embracing. Like, everything has been beautiful for me. Life has been so beautiful. Like, despite the pandemic, 2020 was one of my best years of my life. Like, everything has just been flowing in such a beautiful motion, and I'm just filled with gratitude, and I feel like my locks are an extension of that, and I want to just hold this great energy like for as long as I can, because I truly feel like once you let go of like toxicity and the people that aren't necessarily for you, and oh no, my plant. Once you let go of like toxicity and like people that aren't supposed to be in your life and yada yada yada, you get rid of the job that depresses you or makes you sad, like you really start to see that you can manifest the life that you want to live. Like, it's just up to you having faith. And I just feel like I'm just filled with so much gratitude, y'all. And I hate to put so much emphasis on hair, but it's like, to me, again, when you lock your hair, you're locking in that energy, that time. Like, it's there, it's with you, you know, you're not shedding it like you would normally do. So it has been a beautiful ride, and I honestly can't believe how far I've come since day one, like where I'm at with my little babies. They make me so happy. But I haven't had any trouble with them. Like, people talk about, oh, when you bleach your locks, they're gonna do da 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 da, like all that negative energy. My locks have been flourishing, hunty, and they haven't been giving me no problems, let me tell you, and they soft right now, okay? So anybody who got their little negative comments for what you want to do with your locks, just ignore them, because you know what's best for you, just like I know what's best for me. So I really don't have anything else to say, because honestly, if I keep talking, I'm just gonna keep saying how happy they make me. I'll probably do another retwist video soon, because I do want to try a natural lock gel to see how I like it. So if you guys have any suggestions on natural based lock gels, definitely leave a comment below. Also, if you guys have any requests when it comes to locks, definitely leave a comment below as well. As far as 2021 goes, hunty, I will be retouching my roots probably in the next couple of months, so I'll probably have a video of that. But definitely leave a comment below. Let me know what requests you guys have for my locks. And if you want to lock your hair and you're starting your spiritual journey, I say just do it. Don't listen to what anybody says, because it literally brings me such joy now when I see like ads in like the store, or like, ooh, I be getting emotional. I'm a water sign, I'm sorry. It brings me such joy when I see like ads that have people with locks and people with box braids, because let me tell you, when I was growing up, I did not see that representation, and I just feel like we need that in order to accept and embrace ourselves as Black people. You know, like, there's nothing wrong with the fact that we're locking our hair. Because of European standards, we have been taught that the way our hair grows out of our scalp is not right, and I just feel like it's just so beautiful to see such a shift now with things like braids and locks, like being embraced and being accepted. And let me tell you, the lock community is the most beautiful community I've ever been a part of. Like, literally, I just feel like everybody who's in this lock community are so helpful. They're ready to give you tips, tricks, and dips, all of that. And it's just like, it's a beautiful space to be in. And if you got fine hair, give this video a thumbs up, because us fine hair people, we still got cute locks too, okay? We out here. That's it, y'all. My camera just told me it's overheating, so I'm gonna have to turn it off. Definitely leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. But I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is. I'll see you lovelies later. And like usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JaMexican Beauty. And I'll see you lovelies later. Deuces!